I'm Chris Tariff, Construction Manager with PCL Construction. I'm here at the MILNER Repowering Project to share with you our experience with the job site insights, temperature sensors, and how we use them to keep our workers safe from heat-related illness. Our project included the phased construction of a combined cycle gas turbine. The first phase was a gas turbine which had an exhaust stack that was put up just to get the owner and facility running. But the second phase was where it actually started to concern us, because it was going to be built directly adjacent to the gas turbine. And there was parts of that facility that were actually going to be higher than the exhaust stack. And this was really worrisome for us because we had crane lifts, we had equipment going up there, we had people going up there, and didn't truly understand the hazard that was going to be surrounding our workers with the heat coming off of that exhaust stack. We tried everything. We tried thermal imaging guns, we tried to go and just do surface contact temperature guns. Nothing really told us what was going on. And so we realized we could use the job site insight sensors to mount at the work location to really get a good trend and understanding of that work environment. We could tell how hot it was, how the temperature changed when the wind was going certain directions, and even how much heat stress we would put our workers to if it was in the heat of summer, which happened to be when we had to do this part of the build. So thankfully, we ended up putting our workers into a safe location when the temperature was right. We could monitor the temperatures and know when to take breaks or when they needed to go and stay hydrated and ultimately keep our workers safe. We had 0 heat-related injuries on this job, which I'm sure proud of. And ultimately, we saved our owner some money too. They would have thought that they had to shut down the unit for roughly 1 to 4 weeks while we did this portion of the build. And we were able to keep them running and keep our workers safe, which helped them produce revenue and helped us finish the project successfully.
So it's important to me that PCL took the initiative to make sure that we were working safe up there, watching the temperatures and stuff. We could go up there at elevation knowing our safety had our backs and didn't have to worry at all, did the job safely, and it was a good feeling.
I see the future of us using sensors to replace those manual efforts and to make sure that we protect our people, our equipment, and our projects.